What if I told you that the secret to building real wealth isn't a big salary, a lucky break, or even a genius investment strategy? It's something much simpler, and it's available to everyone. It's called compound interest. This is the force that can turn your small, regular savings into a fortune over time. Albert Einstein reportedly called it the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. Welcome back to the channel, where we turn financial confusion into financial confidence. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a strategy that could change your life. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how compound interest works, why it's so powerful, and how you can use it to grow your wealth, no matter where you're starting from. Ready to unlock the secret? Let's dive in. Why most people miss out on compound interest. Let's be honest. Most people underestimate the power of compound interest. Maybe you think you need a lot of money to get started, or that it's too late for you to benefit. Maybe you've heard the term but never really understood what it means. The truth is, compound interest is working all around us, either for us or against us. If you're not using it to your advantage, you're missing out on one of the greatest tools for building wealth. Step 1. Understand the basics. What is compound interest? First, let's break it down. Compound interest is interest earned on both the money you save and the interest that money earns. In other words, you earn interest on your interest. This creates a snowball effect. Over time, your savings grow faster and faster, even if you never add another penny. Let's compare it to simple interest. With simple interest, you only earn interest on your original deposit. With compound interest, you earn interest on your original deposit, plus all the interest that's been added before. The difference might seem small at first, but over years and decades, it's massive. Step 2, see the magic, how small savings grow over time. Here's where the magic happens. Imagine you save just $50 a month in an account that earns 7% interest, compounded annually. After 1 year, you'll have about $620. But after 10 years, you'll have over $8,600. After 20 years, that grows to nearly $25,000. And after 30 years, over $60,000, all from just $50 a month. The key is time. The longer you let your money grow, the more powerful compound interest becomes. Even small amounts saved consistently can turn into big wealth if you give them enough time. Let's look at another example. If you start with $1,000 and add nothing, at 7% interest, you'll have about $2,700 in 15 years. But if you add just $50 a month, you'll have over $17,000 in the same time. That's the power of regular contributions and compounding working together. Step 3, the formula. How compound interest is calculated. You don't need to be a math whiz to benefit from compound interest, but understanding the formula can help you see how it works. The basic formula is A equals P times open parenthesis 1 plus R over N close parenthesis to the power of N dirty T, where A equals the amount of money accumulated after N years, including interest. P equals the principal, your initial deposit. R equals annual interest rate as a decimal. And the annual equals number of times interest is compounded per year. T equals number of years. The more often your interest is compounded, monthly, quarterly, daily, the faster your money grows. Most savings accounts compound interest monthly or daily, which is great for you. Step 4, start early. Why time is your best friend. The most important factor in building wealth with compound interest isn't how much you save, but how long you let it grow. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound. Let's compare two savers. Sarah starts saving $100 a month at age 25 and stops at 35, but leaves her money invested until age 65. Mike starts saving $100 a month at age 25 and stops at 35, but leaves her money invested until age 65, 35, and keeps going until 65. Who ends up with more? Surprisingly, Sarah does, even though she saved for only 10 years, while Mike saved for 30. That's the magic of starting early. If you think it's too late, Don't worry, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Even if you're starting later, compound interest can still work wonders for you. Step 5, make it automatic. How to build wealth without thinking about it. The easiest way to harness compound interest is to make saving automatic. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to a high-yield savings account or investment account every month. Even small amounts add up over time. When you automate your savings, you don't have to rely on willpower or remember to transfer money. It just happens. And as your income grows, increase your contributions. The more you save, the more you'll benefit from compounding. Step 6, avoid the enemies of compounding: fees, taxes, and withdrawals. Compound interest is powerful, but it can be slowed down by fees, taxes, and early withdrawals. Choose accounts with low or no fees, and take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs or 401ks if you can. Try not to dip into your savings unless it's a true emergency. Every time you withdraw, you interrupt the compounding process and lose out on future growth. Step 7, let time and patience do the work. Building wealth with compound interest isn't about getting rich quick. It's about letting time and patience do the heavy lifting. The early years might feel slow, but as your interest earns interest, your growth accelerates. This is why so many wealthy people say, don't work for your money, make your money work for you. Stay consistent, keep saving, and trust the process. Over time, you'll be amazed at how much your small, regular savings can grow. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's talk about some common mistakes. Don't wait for the perfect time to start saving. Don't think you need a lot of money to benefit from compounding. Don't ignore fees or taxes. They can eat away at your returns. And don't get discouraged if your balance grows slowly at first. Compounding is a marathon, not a sprint. Another mistake is cashing out your savings too soon. The longer you leave your money to grow, the bigger the payoff. Resist the urge to dip into your account for non-emergencies. Real-life success stories. Let's look at some real-life examples. Maria started saving just $25 a week in her 20s. By her 40s, she had over $50,000, enough for a down payment on a home. David invested his tax refunds every year, and after 20 years, he had a 6-figure retirement account. The Johnson family opened savings accounts for their kids and taught them to save birthday money. By college, each child had thousands of dollars set aside. These aren't lottery wins. They're the result of small, consistent savings and the power of compound interest. Action plan. Start today. Here's your action plan. First, open a high-yield savings or investment account. Second, set up automatic monthly contributions, even if it's just $20 or $50. Third, leave your money alone and let it grow. Fourth, review your progress once or twice a year and increase your savings as you can. Remember, the most important thing is to start. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to work for you. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more real-world money tips. Share your compound interest story or your savings goal in the comments. I'd love to cheer you on. Remember, you don't need a fortune to build wealth. With compound interest, even small savings can turn into big wealth over time. You've got this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.